New just listed home, 2750E, Bay Drive 4D, Largo, Florida, by Maria Mitchell from the Military Veteran Team. This one-bedroom, one-bath condo with 640 square feet of spacious living is a first-floor unit in the desirable Largo 55-plus community of Bay Palms. Enter to a bright living/dining area leading to the private outdoor oasis. The beautiful kitchen, updated in 2022, features soft-close wood cabinets, bamboo countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The primary bedroom is generous, easily accommodating a king suite and offering a walk-in closet. The full bathroom boasts a gorgeous walk-in shower. Sliding doors open to a screened porch and large pavered patio exclusive to this unit. Community amenities include a heated pool, shuffleboard, and a clubhouse, all covered by one of the area's lowest HOA fees. Don't miss this unique chance.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.